Hi, this is Julie with Design by the Blossom. I'm going to take you on an overview of how to use all the tools in our virtual floral design tool here. So right now I'm on the bouquets tab, and let's get a few flowers on the board. We can navigate here by clicking the actual buttons or just clicking the next and previous flowers. Let's select, got a campanula. We'll just do some high contrast flowers here so you can see things. Carnation, and we'll add in a mini callus here. Okay, so here you have the choice. Flip whatever flower you last selected is what is going to be active. So if I want to switch, I need to click on this one and select the flip button, and it will go back and forth. Then we can also rotate, and it will just keep clicking to go around. You can flip, rotate some more. The resize feature can be very helpful. Flowers, even the same flowers, we all know can vary in size, and it just helps to get a more realistic approach, with the ones in the front being a little larger and the ones in the back can be smaller. We'll add another one back here. It just helps give that realistic approach. So here, when you're designing, if you want to move this behind, you make sure you've clicked this, and you can move to back, for example, and you can move up. And notice you will need to click this for each layer. So we've got 4 flowers. Let's add a few more onto the space. Okay, so this was last one added. We'll just kind of jumble them up here. This is not the most beautiful combination, but it helps you see how it works. So right now this is on top. We can hit move to back, and it will go all the way to the back of everything on the design space. So if I want to bring it forward again, if I want to go all the way to the front, I would just click move to the front. But to show you, if I click once, it goes, you can see it just went above the campanula again, and now it's above this carnation. Again, it's above that one, and it slowly works your way up. So if you are working with a lot of flowers in the design space, you're potentially clicking this many times to get it where you want. So if at first you're clicking and you don't see anything happening, it is moving. It's just if you have items far apart from each other, you may not see it. But that just allows you, moving one layer at a time, allows you to get the realistic layering to build the flowers. You can hit start over to clear the design space and start from scratch. And then you can always close this out. If you would like on the background to switch over here, if you want to mimic the bridesmaid's dress, for instance, let's go with the ever popular blush tones. You can, or a little bit of lavender there. You can change it, so then if you're wanting to showcase what a bouquet would look like using those flowers, what it's actually going to look like against the dress. So here's just a quick building things up, a little potential so you can actually visualize what it would be like on the right color, and then you can obviously change it to see what the exact same bouquet would look like against different colors. And then here over on the flowers tab, if you click the flowers again, it will bring you back to the very beginning. You can also sort through. If you know you're looking for dahlias, for example, you click there and it will just show you our full selection of dahlias. And let's see, you can go to the orchids and see all the orchids. Let me take you to the roses, and pay attention if there's more that you would click the next page to see the complete set. So that gives you an overview. If you do want to delete something, you don't want it off the screen, say this one for example, you click that flower and then the delete button to get rid of it. And then when you're done your design, you hit save. You can fill out the name of the bouquet you would like to do. Just do, go ahead and hit save. And then it will show up. We've got quite a few in our back end here, but it will be added to your list, and it starts with cakes and goes through to bouquets, and there you can see the bouquet. From here, if you right click and you save the image, you can save it to your computer and then share it with others. You can also open it in a new tab to do that. You can delete it if you don't want it anymore, and you can also share on social media and email over here. And if you're ready to create another one, simply go to the top and create a new one. And also be sure to check out our help page, which has the link right there in the facts, where you will see other demo videos that we will be updating. Hopefully that helps give you an idea on how to use this amazing tool to create sample floral designs. Happy designing, everybody!